Hey everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today I'm going to show you a great site that you can get all of your Volkswagen wiring diagrams from. It's the one that I used to get the wiring diagrams for the 2016 Jetta wiring that I needed for the Rabbit. So let's take a look at that today. So I found a website, some of you probably already know about it. It's called ERWIN, and it's actually a Volkswagen website that you can purchase wiring diagrams from. I figured I would run through ERWIN with you guys and show you some of the cool stuff that it does, some of the cool features, and why it's really worth paying $35 to spend an afternoon playing around on it. So let's jump into ERWIN real quick. All right, everybody, so I figured out where I'm going to get the wiring diagrams from. There is a program, I'm sure some of you probably mentioned in the comments before, but it's called ERWINVW.com. It's actually from Volkswagen of America, and it is very easy to find the product you need. You do have to pay $35 to use it, but once you get in, you can come in here and search under service information. And I'm sorry if it's a little shaky because I'm having to hold this manually so that I can film and then scroll with my left hand. Let me try switching this around here. Okay, so if you come into ERWIN and you search for service information, enter your VIN number, and then you can come down here to wiring diagrams. Click that again, search, and then scroll down. It will give you the details on the vehicle. I don't really care about the VIN because the car is gone, way gone. And then up here is a whole bunch of different information, and this little tab called iWire. Okay, so now we can come down here, and this is all of the wiring diagrams for the vehicle. So headlamps, so we've got everything from engine to AC, airbags, automatic transmission, cell phone. We scroll down, component locations for all of the connectors. There we go. I'll scroll it up a little bit here. So you can actually look at, well, for instance, let's look at what an ABS connector looks like. So there you have the pin out for the whole ABS connector, where each thing goes to, and tells you exactly which pin, how to find each pin, and where they go to. And it does it for literally all of the connectors, the speed sensors. So this is a really cool program. If you go back and do a guided search, you can select anything from, you can go by model year from 1994 all the way up to 2022, and then it will give you all of the models that are available in that year range that you're looking at. So let's say you've got an older car that you're working on. Let's say you're working on a Mark III. It will give you all of the vehicles that you can get a diagram for. So if you need a wiring diagram for a Volkswagen, this is worth the $35 because you can really drill down and figure out what exactly you need. And you can also get diagnostic information, maintenance, the repair manual, special tools information, training documents, technician references. And the thing that you need to understand is that you get a 24-hour subscription for $35. So plan out exactly what you need and download it all in one shot, and it'll be worth your money. All right, so before I leave the ERWIN program and the iWire program, I wanted to show you guys something really cool about how this works. So let's pick a module here. We'll pick the heated seat wiring. And when you go in, you can look at the whole diagram, or you can zoom in to different spots in the diagram and look at each one. Now, it doesn't do this when you download the wiring diagram, but when you're in the ERWIN program, it will actually highlight and give you information on everything that you scroll over. So that tells you right there that that comes out of T52, the 52-pin connector, the electrical control system module. If you click on it, it will actually show you a picture of where the control module is. And if you can't see it, it'll allow you to blow it up. So you can do that with everything. The heated seat control module, it will tell you exactly where it is, how to find it. Like here, the heating element. Where's the heating element? Right there, number 8. It's actually in the seat. This is a really cool way. I wish I could have something like this at my disposal all of the time for doing wiring. This is such a cool thing to play around with. So you're wondering where the AC control module is. It's right there in the dash. Let's look at another one here. Climatronic control module. If you have Climatronic, where is the passenger occupant detection system control module? That is right there in the bottom of the seat. So you can see this is a really cool way to do diagnostic work. It's nice that it's interactive. I wish that I could get that feature in the PDF, but I don't. But I just wanted to show you guys this part of ERWIN so that if you get a subscription to it, it's like a year is like $1,500 or a day is $35. So plan on like taking a bunch of notes and downloading everything you can while you're in here for your day. Hopefully this will help you guys get a little motivated to get in and play around with ERWIN a little bit. It's a pretty cool program. All right, so I hope that helps you guys on some project you got coming up or one that you're stuck on, or if you just want to have manuals for all the cars that you have at home. It's a super great website, and I really like how easy it is to use. So I have a ton of work to do on the next step in the wiring process, which is to like diagram out everything in the harness. So that's going to be my job, my next job. So until next time, get out there and work on something.